Granite is enough.
Enough to finish up their work. Yes. Cordons has finished.
It remains 5 trips.
5 trips that we need to finish up.
Yes. Going to give us 5 trips. They only approve 5 trips.
5 out of 10.
So by now, contract, are they the ones responsible for their load test?
For their load test.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be us. Yes, for their fueling.
No, load test. PLT.
It's not the confirmatory. We don't do the confirmatory load test.
Welcome to Court C. Initially, we had drill out about 93 points for our piles. 93 points. That's the amount of points that we have for our piles, and presently we have done 77 points
For this particular.
For the whole building.
Okay.
We have done 77 points, so we have 16 more points to go.
Okay.
So we are looking at, before the end of next week, we'll finish up all points, and we can start marking out our points for our pile caps as fast as possible. So before the end of September, we should have our pile caps already cast, and we can start our foundation up from there. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first contractor has finished his own.
Yes, this is the point for the first contractor, called James. So we have Photograph working already. Okay. Last night they brought another hydraulic pile down to site last night, just to ease up their work.
Okay. Yeah. So for this other one now, so what's the next line of work for those other people?
What we are looking at is we already have approval to continue sand filling for this point. So once we receive filling sand to push down, they continue. And also we are looking at transferring some of them to Court C.
Okay.
To Court B to start piling also on Court B.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And since Court James moves very fast with how he works, so we are looking at if we can go to Court B, it becomes very fast also for us to start our own works too.
Okay. Okay, for this one now, sorry, because I'm seeing that that one is so close. How many are we proposing on this side?
We have 5 blocks on this side.
5?
5 blocks, yes, sir.
Okay. So this one is 1 block?
This is 1 block. I have 4 more blocks.
Will it not be too tight?
From...
It's already very close to that place.
It won't. It won't, because even the road between the blocks, about 14-meter stretch of road. So, and that's very, 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 very wide.
Maybe just
because we are looking at how it looks like.
Maybe because it's cleared.
Such that this one is facing the other side and another one is facing
this way.
Yes, we have one facing the road.
Okay, so this one will be facing this way?
No, they will face. We have 2 blocks facing each other. Yes. Like a mirrored building.
Okay,
we have 2 blocks facing each other.
Drive this way, you can also drive this way when
yes,
you're entering. Okay. Alright then. Because it just looks so close to that that perimeter has been done there.
For the clients. Okay, sir.
Let's go ahead now.
Okay, sir.
This one.
Block 2. Yes, sir.
What's happening there now?
We are fixing the columns to the 2nd floor, the reinforcement. We finished that one up today. We did the kickers to the columns yesterday. So tomorrow we'll start the form work to the columns. So by Tuesday we cast the columns. Then before next week Friday, we start the 3rd floor slab.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
For this one?
For block 2, yes, sir.
This one?
Block 2.
Before well?
This block 2.
Yes.
So we have completed the 2nd floor slab. So yesterday we did the kickers to the 2nd floor columns. So presently we are fixing the reinforcements to the 2nd floor columns, which we'll finish up today. Okay. So once we are done with that, we'll move straight to fix the formwork to the 2nd floor columns. Also tomorrow. Okay. So before next week Friday, we'll start to fix the formwork to the 3rd floor slab. Yes, sir. have also received the water tanks to block O3. Yes. So once we screed the tank slab areas and we apply our PU, we take these water tanks up and we fix properly. Water connections will start immediately.
That's how many this is. What's the size of the water tank say for
1,000 liters. Yes.
You've done ball here.
Yes, we have on board.
This was long, have you?
Yes, it's been here for a while. 1, 2, 3. 3. That ball is serving the block industry. And also any casting work going around this axis. Use the ball.
So you use it even for this one that you want to start?
Yes, that's what we use for this one. Can coming through.
Commission somebody to come and do this one now.
Send me as you get this opportunity you are sitting or not.
Leave the block go to now.
I got the friend that you should for them to start this.
The last time we came, we settled for these two.
These two
And we
blocks.
also said that we're going to do a bit of modification on the block O2. So it might be different from what we have there. Because what we need more of 2-bedroom compared to the 1-bedroom
One bed
and all that. So whatever adjustment we can make, we should make. You understand? So at least all the clients that are yet to be allocated, we can easily allocate them on this particular court. So that whatever we have there for the wing, it will be quite different. If we can now sell it, because the room size and everything, they're quite different from whatever we have.
Yes.
So we should maintain what we have on that side, and we should maintain it here. But however, we should also see how we can, whether the side of the 2-bedroom that we have here, how we can bring them here too. Then the adjustment of trying to do what's that thing that drops down? The
beam?
The beam.
The beams, yeah.
To see how we can.
Yes, we said it at the other time that we will limit the number of beams that we have. So if you want to do that, you need to use a very straight 2x3. That was what we went for, myself and Olin this morning.
Okay.
So we got some, but we are looking at getting more from Jebodi and Okubaba. So maybe we get it better.
Do you mean for this one?
The beams for the first floor and second floor beams.
For these
For this
all
particular,
our
all our
we'll
structures.
be having limited of beams from our conclusion at the retreat. That going forward we will do more of last
that will
more
now
of
boil
last
down
fast
to
track.
designing the stuff. Now we
Yes,
design
we designed
Just the slabs.
the slabs.
But this other one, but I don't want us to touch too much
We
on
don't
this
really
one.
want to see change.
On the 1 and 2, 3 and
1, 5, 3 and 4.
1, 5.
the slab
3 and
type
4.
can be redesigned, not it's
It
not going
won't
to
affect
the
the-
room size.
It won't.
It's
But
just
it's
Or the
time
overall
to
structure of the
guys, but
building.
there's always a
It's
learning
fast track,
curve. So that's one thing. That's the reason why we said, okay, maybe for this just replicate. Because there's always a learning curve. It will take you some time before to this place. To take you some time before you guys now
redesign
start.
Because it's easier for some of the people hands that you already have.
For the slab, we don't need more. It will be faster for us.
It even helps us.
It helps
There's
us.
much
That was
speed.
why
when we have less
Block O2
beam.
Smallest beam.
is
There's much
going
speed.
up than block O4.
The block 4.
Okay,
Block
which
O4
one?
is
This one.
this one is more of there is more
Beams
on this
compared to block
but
2.
that of block O2 have limited beams.
Okay.
That is why it's more faster.
Okay.
Even when casting, it's more faster.
Okay, because you have to go there deep first.
We have limits of those ones.
Limited
when-
beams.
Those
Beam
beams.
first before
Yeah,
you
before the
Yes.
slab. And we have limited of beams. Since we have limited of beams, it will be more faster and more cheaper.
And
Also.
even our cubic meter is
The only
reduced.
thing
It's
is that
reduced.
it
It
might
helps us
just
save
require
concrete
more
too.
reinforcement.
It might. And instead of him putting reinforcement on the beams on the tension zone, he just put it on the 2 at a go. Meaning, at that midspan, there will be more reinforcement. Instead of him treating each longer.
Yeah, it doesn't affect, but it does.
It doesn't
But for
affect
now,
the roof sizes.
it doesn't affect the room size. Then also, secondly, will it also affect the pie work?
No.
Does not
it
affect
won't.
it. Go ahead with it now. That one can be done.
And
As
that
we're
was
going.
why we went for market survey to acquire more straight 2x3. Since we don't have
We
yellow
have not
beam,
gotten to that level yet now. What I'm saying is that the people that where is Azar? The people that you guys are assigned for the pie work, let them start their work. The other day you guys were talking about cement. If you have cement and you hide the cement somewhere around there, you clear these people there. Or you hide this, or maybe if it's a block this one, O3. 03 is this one.
yeah, this is what
So this one, you put them there. Set out what your priority is. This is Nina say we don't need project manager. Take it on.
yes, sir.
Find the feeding box.
Yes,
Eh?
yes.
Take it on. See. Is there a project management course in school?
Yes.
That one no be.
But the real project management is on the field.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. But we all
It's on the field. It's just like a woman and her husband at home who has, okay, we have a budget of maybe 3,000 naira to cook meal. You are the one that know whether you want to put shaki, you want to put a door, you want to put tilapia, or you want to do whatever you want to do. It's your business. If your money can carry it, fine. Even with that one 3,000 naira, they cannot even prepare. They can't even. It's only salt and water that you can have access to, because they don't know how to manage whatever resources that comes. So it's yours. Take it.
waiting for the material. While waiting for the material, we can use the remaining 16mm and 10mm for him to start.
So we still have like up to 2 tons of
Y16. Yeah, we can start with them. Then after we will look at what we want to use for this floor. Whatever is left, you can start pending when you give them their material.
Started for this one. So while this activity is ending, this one is starting. Then you also start feeling for this
For
one.
the new phase.
For the new phase. And also you can also start feeling for this other the balance of
We just need like 13 meters to accommodate the remaining two.
And also we can, but once we
do that,
see
it will
what
be closer to
we
the
just
service,
need is to take them
bit by bit.
bit by bit, and same to what we're doing. So because really what people need to see our own commitment to some of them, because we've allocated 54 already. What we actually need was maybe about 80, so we've done more than half.
Yes.
Do you understand?
That's just cut B2 still do.
Okay, so we have yes for this other one. So once people see that the thing is growing, is coming up, is built off their faith. Already we've established the fact that the rooms are bigger compared to what we have before. So on that one there's no issue. So what we just need to do, let it start rising. If you're taking it one by, and the most important part is this one. Let it come for. Let us see that it is growing, that the pile are being done. So whatever commitment anybody has, if the person is not ready to continue, we'll ask the person for a refund. We'll do a refund to the person. But you can't ask somebody for a refund when they think they have not seen action on your own part. You get. So whatever we can do, whether we can borrow iron from somewhere, we can do this one from this one. Let us do whatever we can to see that it comes up. At least that one is already settled. Then we can start with the pie cap for the
foundations
area and all that, and see what we can do to push that.
Okay, sir.
But that one too has been too.
Yes, it's
And you're also looking at taking the beams away, or you are looking at
just we can't take away the beam totally. Just we will reduce it to the barest minimum.
So that means you have to
Perfect our own.
redesign it.
He has not even redesigned the suspended floor. You only have the design for the foundations.
There's also something that I need to is also look at too. Some of our consultants, we would ask them to step back a bit.
Okay.
Since 2019 and now they've tried. Some of I want to trust you guys.
Yes.
I want to trust you guys.
We won't let you down, sir.
So, because there are some people are collecting free money. You understand? And it's our benefit anyway when you have maybe a third eye looking at something and all of that. But really, I think that we'll gain mastery of some of those things that it has become maybe part of our normal natural tendencies to be able to get right. So whatever we can do to also steal the drawing part and because I feel that even for Pelumi and Co, I think that maybe the mechanical people are doing their best in many ways. Pelumi is the one who is trying to draw cabling for the dissing, and I expected the consultant to be the one who should push for it first. But the consultant isn't pushing for it. So it is when we say, okay, let us now do it. Now bring out a bill, which already what they can do. So why not create it? It's whatever their consultancy fee. Why not create as an incentive package for every body on the team? You understand? Rather than you spending maybe $1 million on somebody and the person is just drawing, and the person might be sitting while you are casting. The person is sitting there in his cozy office and all that. So I don't know. I may be wrong in my analysis, but
I see spoke to
doesn't.
Mrs. Funke about it yesterday.
It's not just even about cost. It's also about. It's not. It may make sense. It may also may not make sense. I don't know because I'm not your average construction person. But doesn't make